Hello to everyone. This is Dr. Maryam from Mohammed Bani Hashim Advocates and Legal Consultants. And this time we decided to make a video about contracts and particularly about the point of litigation in the contracts or agreements. We would like to highlight how to make a right decision on the litigation in the contract or agreement. This video will be useful for all business entities and also for private people who are going to enter into any kind of agreement in their business. Generally speaking, all legal relations between the parties in the agreement are governed by the civil transaction law and commercial transaction law. It means all the relations should be protected and regulated by the federal law. But in our daily life and also in our legal practice, we face different situations, and the legislation and the litigation procedure in the contract can be changed and the law can be also changed. For example, what are these conditions? It depends about the parties in the agreement. If all the parties are present in UAE or some of them they are outside. Also, if these parties are private person or they are business entities. Also, it depends about the subject. What is the subject of the agreement? It's also very important. Where this agreement should be implemented and executed. Where are the bank accounts and the main address of the companies. All these points are important to make a right decision on the future litigation and further legal claims between the parties in the agreements. However, UAE gives an opportunity for the parties to choose litigation, and this choice can be taken not only on the side of the federal law and local courts. For example, parties can choose arbitration procedure, or they can go for DIFC courts and DIFC arbitration, or even international litigation and international courts. And now let us see a couple of examples. For example, one party is going to enter into agreement with another party for continuous services. Both parties are present in UAE and their accounts are also opened in UAE banks. In this situation, of course, depends on special conditions between these parties. We can suggest local law and federal courts for their future claims. And another example, the seller wants to sell his building. He doesn't have a current residency in UAE and also other assets except the building. The buyer wants to secure his rights against future claims from third parties. In this example and particular situation, we can suggest for the buyer to include the point about DIFC arbitration that will entitle him to implement the judgment all over the world and even in the home country of the seller. Every situation and every agreement between the parties is different, and before signing or entering into any kind of agreement, we suggest to seek an advice from professional lawyers who will be able to secure and protect your rights. Thank you so much for your attention. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel Legal One. Knowing of your rights will always put you on the safe side of the law. Please share your comments and feedback. Thank you so much for your attention and goodbye.